Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Rebel Nail and Deep UK. So here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Stuff from Rebel Nail, and this is a very bright pink shade. Next is in the shade Sunburst, again from Rebel Nail, and this is a bright yellow shade with some flakes. And lastly from the brand Deep UK, and this is in the shade Pretty Woman, and this is a mix of floral chunky bits in a clear base. And for the liquids, I will be using my Rebel Nail Pro Base as well as the Activator, and for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my dip powder application, which is applying a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So as always, I will be applying one layer of clear on all of my nails to build up the thickness of my nails. So then once I'm finished with one layer of clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my colored powders. So first, I will be applying the shade Sunburst on my ring nail, and I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with Sunburst, I move on to my next powder, which is the Rebel Nail Stuff, and I will be applying this on my pointy, pinky, and thumb. And again, I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. And I just want to mention that this shade is so pretty. This is probably my favorite pink shade from Rebel Nail. So once I'm finished with Rebel Nail Stuff, I move on to my last powder, which is the Pretty Woman from Deep UK, and I will be applying this on my middle nail. And with this powder, instead of dipping my nail, I lay my nail on top of the powder because I find that this method works best with this kind of powder. And also, I use a plastic sheet to cover my nails and gently press my nails to flatten out the floral bits. And then I use toothpick to clean around my cuticle area. So then I just repeat the same step with the second coat. And also, I just wanna quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount on your total purchases. And I will be putting all the information down in the description box below. So once I'm finished with all my colored powders, I went back with my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional if you're only using a solid color, but if you're using a chunky bits on your nails, I highly recommend you clear encapsulate it. Otherwise, you will end up filing away all the beautiful design on your nails. So once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, again I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator, and I will be applying a generous amount of this on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I will be applying 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.